Imagine being able to make $30 by merely using your mobile smartphone to execution a few easy activities in less than a minute. One time may earn 25. 10 times can earn 250 and 100 times can win 2,500. There is no border and I want you to comment below if you want 25 or 2,500. I don't know about you guys, but I go with 2,500 or even more since it's well enough possible with these 3 websites that I am about to show you in this video. They pay out the same day super quickly and easily. And it's completely free and available all over the world. Before we go further to this video, welcome to the Money Square, where we will educate you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips and tricks. Don't neglect to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and press the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, of course, don't forget to leave a comment below. Let's get started with the video. First and foremost, I want you to watch the complete video, because I will show you 3 different websites where you can make money online now. If you can combine all 3 of them, you will be able to make the most money and create multiple streams of income at the same time, which is great. As a result, make sure you don't give up anything in this video. Now, before we get started, let me briefly go over some of the different payment methods. How to really draw out the money you've earned. You can make PayPal Cash, as you can see here. If you don't have a PayPal account, don't worry. You can draw out your earnings directly into your bank account. They accept payments from almost every village in the world, and you can even draw out your earnings in Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. You might think over that $25 isn't a lot of cash. But keep in mind that it adds up quickly, and I will train you my own classified method for earning 25 again and again. And you can do it as many times as you like by simply using a smartphone or laptop. It's quite easy to do and requires no formal knowledge or experience. So this is going to be the first website that we'll be doing, and all you have to do is do some easy small jobs like watching videos, doing some easy surveys, going to certain websites, or sending some easy emails, and you can earn $3 to $5 by doing so. And you can select one of the jobs that you like, and I will show you which one is the best to do so that you can save a lot of time and spend probably 1 to 2 minutes doing it. peakhourworkers.com is the name of the prime website. This is the first website where we can complete some easy tasks and earn some cash. You can easily acquire some free cash by simply signing up for an account and then searching for various jobs to complete. Now, based on my personal experience, liking and watching videos is the easiest way to make money on this website, and if you stick with me until the end of this video, I will educate you one cool dictator hack that can quickly multiply your earnings so you can earn even more money than other people who don't watch this video all the way through. And I had like to show you one more strategy, which is the referral scheme. If you have a Facebook, Instagram and Twitter account, you may send them with others including friends and unknown, and if they sign up and do the task, you can earn commissions for each job they complete. They perform the work for which you are paid, and the more referrals you receive over time, the more commissions you will make, and this will become your second source of inactive income. If you don't want to rely on commissions or referrals, you can always actively conduct the job yourself. You can do anything including watching videos and like them for $2, $1 or 50 cents, which is wonderful because you can do it in less than 60 seconds in any case. You must perform the tasks on these websites in order for the company to pay you. You must present proof of your work to them. I'll show you step by step on how to do it, so you don't make any mistakes. A lot of individuals submit it improperly or don't submit anything at all, which is why you can't make any cash on these services. But first, let's have a look at the next website where points can be earned. This is based on a points system, and once you have earned all of the points, you may exchange them for money. If you gain 1,000 points, you can earn $1, and I'll show you a classified method on how to make 500,000 points in a single day that no one else knows about this, as well as another special tip for foreign particles. All you have to do is download TurboVPN, which is a free VPN service that you can use on your computer or mobile phones. so that when you go to a website like this you can actually sign up. Because I know a lot of you guys out there, your countries are being blocked. You won't be able to sign up in your country. So make sure you try TurboVPN or another alternative, download it and use it. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you loved the video thus far, and if you found this video entertaining and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to listen what you have to say. It's now time to get back to job and earn some cash. Now let's get back to the video. The good name of this second website is Earnably, and it is really a factual website. However, if you're from one of the smaller village out there, you will need to sign up for this website using TurboVPN. You can earn cash simply by watching videos. All you have to do is click on one of these organizations, go to their website and watch the film from beginning to end without skipping something. When you're on the mobile phone, you can let it play in the background, and when you're on the computer or laptop, you can do other things while it plays. The best part is that having many mobile phones devices such as 2 or 3 phones at home with your parents, family and siblings is even best, because you may earn even more money. Also, if both of these websites are used to get through this, we can easily make 25 in under a minute. Don't forget to concentrate on watching and liking videos, and don't do anything else, because it will waste your time, and don't take surveys because they will pay you very little cash. So now I'm going to show you the next website, StreetBees. They supply you with a pretty easy task to complete on this website. Every time you send a text or message, you can make a lot of cash. I had a brief look at this and found that if you have a smartphone, you can join up and make a brand new free account. They ask you to take pictures, for example, of tea and other things, and then they send you a message which you must respond to, and occasionally they want you to add photos. Take photos of the clothes you're wearing today, for example, and send them to get $5. This is usually quite easy, and they want you to take a few basic images every day. Just simple things around you, like what are the things that they need you to do. Just snap the images within seconds and then send it to them, and now you can get money. This is how you make profit from StreetBees. You may now get the software for free from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Simply choose one of the tasks, answer a doubt, and you will be paid in cash. When you click the Join Now button, you'll be taken to the App Store. Or if you're using an Android mobile phone, you may head to the Google Play Store, where they have a good rating, 4 stars based on 70,000 reviews. So you can have a look at them. You can see some instances once again right here. Simply download these apps and spend about 2 or 5 minutes each day finishing a story, sending a message, and earning $5. In addition, I'd like to mention that they have a StreetBees Ambassador program, which I'd want to discuss with you because they're still a very new firm. You can join them and get paid to help them expand in your state. If you're from different states across the world, whichever country you're from, now is a good time to join this organization, since it's trending, and while it's still early, you can click on the Apply Now button and join them from anywhere in the room. 87 different countries are expanding them, and every time you share a story and send a message to their system with a simple brief question, you will get paid well, because it is still relatively new and there is no emulation. Many people are completely unaware that these websites is in existence. If you want to join the StreetBees Ambassador program, all you have to do is enter your name, email, fill out this form and click the Apply Now button. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos. And if you like it, please blow the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and beat the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video. Bye.